Most problems in life aren't complicated. They're just stupid decisions nobody wants to call out. Today we're breaking down How to Test Negative for Stupid by John Kennedy, and why Washington never will, and why this book hits hard for firefighters, for fathers, for leaders, and for husbands. So let's buckle up. Kennedy isn't writing a policy book. He's writing a reality check. This is about leadership, about culture, and calling out nonsense fast. Point number one that he makes, candor wins. Biggest message is simple. Say what needs to be said. In the fire service, confusion kills. Clear communication saves lives. Point number two, common sense over intelligence. You can have degrees, trainings, and certificates, but if you can't make a decision under pressure, you're a liability. Point number three, Kennedy learned early, if you tolerate bad behavior, it multiplies. Same in the firehouse, same at home. Point number four, culture is everything. Bad systems don't fail overnight. They decay slowly because no one speaks up. This book is a reminder. Leadership isn't about being liked. It's about being clear, being honest, and having the courage to call out stupid before it spreads. If you want a stronger crew, stronger family, stronger life, starts here. Stupid isn't the lack of intelligence, it's the lack of honesty, accountability, and common sense. The book was released October 2025. It's 8 hours long. It's narrated by John Kennedy, and it's really good. I liked it so much that I listened to it while I bought the book and followed along. It's that good. See ya.